Hello everyone, welcome to channel Qtomation. In the last sessions, we have seen list, tuple, set and dictionary data types. Now we will quickly summarize the difference between list, tuple, set and dictionary. So we will discuss some of the important points about list, tuple, set and dictionary, and also when to use which collection data type from these four. So first point is mutable. So we know that list is mutable. Mutable means we can change the data once we define the list. So that means list data type is mutable. Tuples are immutable. That means once we create the tuple, we cannot change it. They are immutable. Set is also mutable. Dictionaries also mutable. Next point which we can discuss is ordered, right? So list is ordered. For example, whenever we define any list in a order, so values, if they are in some specific order, that order remains as it is. That order does not change once we define the values in that specific order in a list. That means lists are ordered. Tuples are also ordered. Set are unordered. And dictionary are ordered from Python version 3.7. Before 3.7 Python, they were unordered, but from Python version 3.7, all the dictionaries are also ordered. Next topic is, or next point is indexed, right? So we know indexing. So list is indexed. So every value in the list can be referred by a specific index position. Tuples are also indexed. Set are unindexed. There is no indexing in set values. Dictionaries are also unindexed. And now we can see when to use which data type. So every data type has some pointers, right? So we have to decide as per the requirement which data type need to be used. For example, let's say we have some multiple data and in future we want to change that data. And we also want to preserve the order of data in which it is defined. So if we have requirement like this, for example, we have data, multiple type of data that we want to change in future. So that data we want to change in future and we want to preserve the order of data as well. So in that case, we have to use list data type. Let's say when we have data, and we don't want to change the data in future and we want to preserve the order of that data. So in that case, we can use tuple. Similarly, let's say we have data and we want to change the data in future, but the order of the data is not relevant. So it's fine if we change the order of the data. So that need not to be preserved. If we have such situation, in that case, we can use set data type. And if there are key value pair of data, then we have to use dictionary only. So if we have a data which is in the form of key and values, then we have to use dictionary. So these are the points which we can remember for list, tuple, set and dictionary. For detailed videos, you can refer the previous videos in which we have individually explained all the topics related to list, tuple, set and dictionary. So that's about this video guys. Thank you for watching.